Welcome to the introduction video of the TEN AEM Particle Counter. In this video, we will explain how the TEN AEM Particle Counter works.
After the diesel vehicle enters the workshop, the particle counter can be switched on. It is recommended to warm up the engine before using the particle counter. When the particle counter is turned on, the device needs to warm up for optimal use. This is done to measure the most secure results. During the PTI measurement, there is a possibility to enter the registration number of the vehicle. This is easy to do through the control panel. It is recommended to start the car beforehand. However, this is not essential due to the heated sample probe. After this, the heated sample probe can be inserted in the exhaust of the vehicle. The measurement can be started and a stabilization period of 15 seconds takes place. After the stabilization of the device, the measurement will start immediately. During the measurement, it will be displayed how many particles the vehicle emits. When the measurement is completed, the result is immediately visible. The display shows whether the measurement was successful or not. The results can be printed by using the F key on the control panel. The print also shows whether the measurement was successfully completed or not by the specific numbers. After the measurement, the display indicates that the sample probe can be removed from the vehicle. After removing the sample probe, the measurement is complete.
More information about the TEN AEM Particle Counter and our other PTI measurement equipment can be found on our website, www.ten-automotive.com.